The import transactions screen in the accounting module is used to import transactions from a BIF file or to check on errors when an accelerator postback has failed. The problem with the screen in web is that it doesn't have many columns to choose from. You can add many more in desktop. If I look at the Windows options for this screen, you'll see that there are only less than 20 columns. But if I was to look at the report engine, you can see that for the ACR batch input table, which is where the information is drawn on for the import transaction screen, there are upwards of 40 to 50 possible columns. Some of those, which might be very useful, are the full posting attributes, dim1 to dim7, whereas in here we've literally only got 1, 2, and 3. So if you want your work order or legal entity, then you are out of luck. This is where Web Screen Configurator comes into play. Using the visibility, we can add the field names that we want to that section, grid being this table here, make them show and read only. Then we can also add titles, of course, to those columns. Now, the good thing is that because we are adding field names that already exist in the table, we're matching the names that already exist, we don't even need to use autofill. The system will just understand that those are columns from the table and it will just populate them itself. We can also use field order to make sure the columns are where we want them to be in that grid. Okay, so having activated the Web Screen Configurator setup, I'm going to go back to import transactions and click on clear. And here we can now see that if I go back into my journal, I've got work order and company there alongside my cat 1, 2, and 3. Thanks for watching.